in this case, they've divided segments. You have your own part. So if something affects a terrible if there's terrible attack on one other shared host, it may affect your host. So that's one of the disadvantages. But it rarely happens. Okay, so but when talk about the reseller host, the reseller host is a bit advanced because you can from your own part sell to others. It is more of reselling like shared host, selling of shared. You can also it's like a market. You can share to other people. So I'm trying it for the first time. I've read about it for some time, but I wanted to buy it the other time, but I said let me just keep using the one because it's quite expensive, very very expensive. I'll be going for the per month. For now, I'm good because it's Nigerian, of course, should be cheaper than the international part. So for trial, I'll be using this first one, but if it does and works well, then I can upgrade to this one. So for now, I will go working it. Let me just for the trial stuff. I wanted to go for this one, but because it's trial, let's move to this. Get started. Mm. Because now, you can see it's requiring the domain name. Now, domain name in this case, this host I think comes with a free domain. .com.ng, .net, .org.ng. I forget about that. It's about the content. So um, I don't have any. Hold on. Okay, the one I was trying to work on don't have. It's not a .com.ng, so I'll just have to use either my or okay, yeah. I have one guy that I'm working with. Hold on, I think I need to pause this nigga stuff. Watch. So once you've selected the domain and it's available, you click next. It will take you to this option. Now watch it. Starter result reseller. All these things are the attributes or the features. Mm. This one is so much. To me, it's more. You know, well, let's continue. Watching everything. The whole thing. So, we continue. I think we have to make payments as soon as possible. No. Uh, what's how? Hold on. So let's continue. How to cut? Continue again. I think should get my card now. Depending on how it will be done. Remember, is just network is was slow. So this is it. I thought they should give us a discount as they said. What's all this? There's no need now. No need. I just need to leave it. Okay. Actual price maybe after a month, sometimes after a year. Uh, anyway, this one is not what I was expecting. They say it comes with a free this thing. What's their problem now? The main registration. They have to. Yes. I know it's not necessary, but I'm doing it to see what will happen. Okay. Check out. Yeah. Let me see if it can happen that way. Okay, now first name you need to fill in these details. So I'll have to fill in the detail. So as you can see, we're about to make payment. So I'm using USSD and I have to copy this code to my phone, and from there I will process the payment. So I'm doing it straight away. As you can see, it's successful and they have received it. That's why I like using USSD once it's available. Very fast and good to go. So it will redirect to a successful page, a welcome page. Okay, let's go. Mhm, mhm. Now, this, well, in this case, if you are doing PHP, there's a way we call this called callback. Mhm. Callback is where you um, process, call back the information from the gateway to the very website you are doing. Now, if you check it well, watch it. This webmanager.ng slash hosting slash module slash gateways. Now, this gateway is like just the way we go for index.php, we also go for payment.php. Now, this payment can just be gateways.php now, but this is more of they use no this probably Laravel. That's why it's this way. It works with modules and helpers and URL, all these things. But we don't need dot p. But if you watch again after this callback callback, you see the one dot php. See, it's still a PHP file. Good. Let's reload. So definitely, even if I check my email, I'll see a successful email there. Payment. They'll send me a receipt. Or the network. Okay. Continue to client area. Okay, so you can see the payment successful, but domain services. Ah, okay. It's still pending. No, now I think it's left for them to accept it. Like they'll now have to manually, they have to accept it for it to be successful. For now, I may not do much with this. Now I think they are setting it up. That's what they are doing. It's manual. This is not WordPress, Papa. Okay, let me see how. Let me see. You can see you can't click on it. It's still pending. So for now, let me check my email. Since stop that. Invoice payment. There you go. Paid. Yeah? Paid. Okay. So I'll leave it for now. For some, I'll give it few minutes or even hours because these hosts they have to take their time and set it up. Very important. That you don't need to be in a hurry now. It's Nigeria for you.